Hello, welcome and assalamu alaikum. Today we will try to define what is www. If you are searching for www, so this video is for you. Watch the full video and try to understand the whole concept that what is www. Basically, www stands for World Wide Web. www or World Wide Web, which is also known as a web. Simply, you can say this is a web. A www is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web server and linked to the local computer through the internet. Okay, www is a collection of websites or web pages. Okay, these websites contains text pages, digital images, audios, videos, etc. Yani in these websites there are many text page, digital image, audios, videos, etc. User can access the content of these sites from any part of the world over the internet using their devices such as computer, laptop, cell phone, etc. Yani many people or all people can use all of the data from all over the world using www from their cell phone, laptops and computer. The www along with the internet enable the retrieval and display of text and media to your devices. Yani you can see with the help of www on your devices all of the data. Okay, the data belongs to maybe text pages or digital images, audio or videos, yani all over the world. Any data you can use your devices and you can search. Okay, and in simple words, there is overview of www. Yani a technical definition of the www is all the resources and users on the internet that are using the hypertext transfer protocol. What is hypertext transfer protocol? Hypertext transfer protocol stand for HTTP. Okay, yani the all resources and user on the internet that are using hypertext protocol or HTTP. Okay, and we can say that basically this is or in simple words we can say that www is a way of exchange of information between computer on the internet, tying them together into a vast collection of interactive multimedia resources. So basically this was the common and the basic information about www. Yani you can use via internet you can use your devices and you can search or if you want to search the text page, if you want to search the digital image and audios or videos, so you can use this with the help of HTTP, as you can see on your on the screen also. First HTTP /www dot. After this you can you can write as per your desired required data and you can search over the internet. So this was the basic and complete information of www or World Wide Web. I hope you understand the concept, and if you want to know the more videos or if you want to learn the more from internet or more from our channel, so just subscribe the channel and you can see more and very important videos. Thank you so much and stay blessed.